Aisha.
I am Rasmina Fatima.
We both are studying 9th standard from GHS Nada. So today we came with a project called Smart Weather Station. With that we can able to monitor the temperature level and humidity level continually with this smart weather station. Here we are using THT11 sensor for sensing Arduino for controlling and Arduino SED for coding, LCD for display. This project uses we can use in home, we can use in flights, we can use in automobiles. Future we can modify for other projects. Thank you.